Now listen to me. Now, engines. You are going to listen to me this instant. You guys are here. All of you guys right here. That's in my name now. Now you're going to listen to me and obey me differently. Because you're Julian, as you know, made her a fool of herself by just sending me out dead. So the thing is that you guys are going to be sent out here. Which Julian prepared your weapons for you. Now, get here, going out, and seizing who has Zateria wrong. If Harry doesn't listen to me, he's going to be really done for. So the thing is that I want my Zateria law right now. And Harry has it. You guys understand? Now, just listen to me fools. You all are gonna do what I say, and I don't care. I'm gonna make you guys into strong powerful now. The thing is that, like, you guys are not gonna use your weapons, which is I'm gonna do something which is the opposite of your weapons. So just listen, and you just.
But come on, we're just kids. How we're gonna be able to go and get that Zateria dog? Because you know the other ones got killed. We can easily get killed. So the thing is that we're not even going. Whoa! What the?
Yes, you will fly myself. Go and have the power that you have, and go and seize their one you took my dog. And I can just relax. Okay. You can just relax now. And it's just going to take a break. I'll get you in. Julian, make me some supper. Now, it better be fresh.